Welcome, class. Today we're diving into the exciting art of catching fish, led by your favorite cat teacher. First up is observation. When you find yourself by the water, pay close attention to the ripples and swirls. That's where the fish like to hide. Remember, patience is essential. Don't rush in as if you're chasing a toy mouse. Instead, take your time and wait silently for your moment. Next, let's talk about choosing the right bait. While cats adore fish, what do fish enjoy? Think worms, bread, or even small bits of cheese that can be oh so tempting. Now it's all about technique. Gently toss your bait into the water and stay alert. When you feel that tug, keep your cool and whisker quick. Pull back just right to reel in your catch. And there you have it. Observing the water, picking the right bait, and exercising patience will turn you into a pro in no time. Happy fishing, everyone!